how to fix your TikTok comments not loading. So generally when your TikTok comments are not loading, it could be your application, your internet, and so on. If you watch this video till the end, I'm going to tell you all the steps you can take in order to fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is pretty basic. You want to check your internet connection, use a Wi-Fi or mobile data that works properly. You can simply try toggling between those, or if it is your Wi-Fi having problems, you can either contact your ISP or even restart your router. Now that is out of the way, you can simply go ahead and try force closing your TikTok application and try reopening it, which does fix problems in a long term. If that doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is simply go to your profile and then settings and privacy and free up space and simply go ahead and clear your cache. Always make sure that your application is up to date. If not, you can go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and update your application. Sometimes what happens is that TikTok servers could be down. You can simply go to downdetector.com and simply go ahead and check if the servers are having any problems. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and log out and log back in into your account, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If not, simply go ahead and restart your phone, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.